Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best floating wall shelves in 2020 that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have RR Round Rich Design Wall Shelf Set. Why get 1 or 2 when you can get 6 spacious wall shelves? Round Rich 6-piece wall shelf comes with 6 pieces of shelves made from wood. They like how sturdy the material is, yet lightweight at the same time. This is why it is quick and simple to assemble the pieces because the design is so straightforward. You can combine all the pieces and come up with a unique design. These shelves are great for organizing arts and crafts or even small potted houseplants in your office, bedroom, and living room. For the most part, these shelves work well as they look nice. They just seem a bit flimsy, so be sure to install them securely to keep the items on the shelves perfectly organized. Moving on at number 4, we have Jazzy Home Furniture Decoration Shelves Shelving Wall. If you need more storage spaces for your home, then this 3-tier wall shelf is ideal for your needs. These shelves are crafted from wood, and we love the combination of wood and iron wire that adds a rustic feel to them. There are 3 tiers in total, which means there are more places for you to put your miscellaneous items. Installation is also a breeze as all the mounting components and detailed instructions are included in the package. When you need greater space for organizing things at home, these shelves are great. But you will need to make sure you followed the instructions carefully to avoid any mistake in setting up these shelves. At number 3, we have GRINCO Wall Shelf Rustic Wood Floating Shelves. The best floating shelf for your wall is this amazing little product. It has a circular shelf, which can turn an empty wall into a lovely place to display items. The shelf is crafted from the torched finish wood combined with iron metal. This is why the overall look is so elegant and rustic. We recommend this product as a gift for a fellow avid organizer as these shelves really make a difference when you need to declutter your home. We are glad to have purchased this item. It truly works for our needs, but if you think it is too big for your home, then you should be able to find smaller options to suit your expectations just fine. At number 2, we have a GSIVO wall-mounted hexagonal floating shelves farmhouse storage shelves. These honeycomb floating shelves are crafted from lightweight wood composite in a smooth black finish. Each kit contains 3 shelves, one 4.6 inches by 12.8 inches by 4.3 inches, one 1.9 inches by 10.2 inches by 4.3 inches, one 8.9 inches by 7.9 inches by 4.3 inches. Create your own personal wall display using these geometric shelves together or separately. Since they vary in size, they are perfect for creating a unique focal point in any room. Suitable for various styles of houses. The uniquely shaped wooden floating hexagon storage shelves can not only enhance your home style but also suit decoration of different houses, making your house look more fashionable. Modern and unique honeycomb design is ideal for displaying decorative home accessories, frames, antiques, books and so much more. And finally at number 1. GRINCO 5-tier wall mount corner shelves. These corner shelves are functional and attractive alike. It matches almost every decor and is great for your kitchen, dining room, living room or office. Use it as a practical shelf or to display collectibles, photos etc. or decorative items. It's easy to mount and comes with all necessary mounting hardware. Dimensions in inches: 7.75 L by 7.75 W by 48.5 H. 5-tier wall mount corner shelves made of durable MDF laminate.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.